Yo, wanna come with me? I have a plane.
Okay. Why keep sniping? Can this even do barrel roll?
Nope. No.
I'm out of here, man.
Hey, wait! Come back!
Boring.
Hey, come with me again. Not boring anymore.
You better be sure about that, huh? Yeehaw! Whoa! Now I'm having fun, dude.
Hey guys, what's up? As you've seen in the video, the Red Baron is very stable despite having multiple mechanics and can even do barrel rolls. So this is a modified version of the simple mechanics that I uploaded. By the way, watch that video first before you jump to this tutorial. You need that, guys! Don't worry, it's just a very quick tutorial. Super easy! But the problem in that mechanics is that you can't do barrel rolls. You can only turn left and right with that, unless you place the seat like this as I've shown in that video. And you need to make fake pilot. But with this modified version, you can now do barrel rolls, just like the lava flows jet mechanics. So let's start now. Delete these two jet turbines. With move 1, place front wheels like this. Unbind them first. With rotate 45, rotate wheels 2 times like this. This left wheel must be rotated to the left. The right wheel must be rotated to the right. Just to show you, the movement must be like this. Okay? Place block on each wheel like this. With scale 1 time into the wheels. Place jet turbines like this on the blocks. Then with move 2, move the jets into the wheels 1 time to make it closer. Change the jet force to orange, this one. Depending on your build, you might need to adjust more if needed. You can experiment, guys. Change wheel torque to maximum, green. Then change speed to 1. Bind the jets. It's up to you what key you want to use. Bind the wheels. I will use E for right, Q for left, and then a key that I will not use for forward and backward. Just like what I did here. Save and reload. Let's test it! Alright, very stable. Left, then right. Then barrel roll, yeah! Alright! By the way guys, for now this is not mobile friendly, but very soon we gonna turn this mobile friendly. So again, this is my Red Baron. In the simple and easy jet mechanics tutorial, I've shown you there how to place this in your build with this assembled piston and switch. As you can see, this one is heavy with some mechanics and especially this propeller wheel. Without the mechanics, this plane will always die. Guys, turn off collision of the whole mechanics, okay? Make them transparent too. Let's try this! Press switch. It's getting assembled, see? Let's fly! Alright! Left and right. Barrel roll, yeah! Now these have more realistic movements, like a real plane. First person mode, guys! Oh, oh, whoa! Very stable, guys. Smooth flying. So guys, I hope you learned something. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe now and click the notification bell. Please like and share the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.